Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Zips, and welcome back to Monster Train 2. Today, oh boy, let me tell you about today. You won't believe your eyes. It is Echo Red we're going to be playing. The alternate leader for Wormkin. Funny little beetle man riding a funny little crystal horse, freaky, blasty, drivey thing. And yeah, I'm gonna do random clan. This guy was very, very powerful in the previous game, and I'm guessing the power with Echo Red is going to remain. I'm on a 10 win streak. I'm actually kind of like him, if you analyze it. Good little sip of water before we get started. All right, today we're taking on Entropy, along with Pushback, Archean, and Bloody Harvest 6 and Hollow. We have Herzel Sword with Echo Transfer, Hidden Passage, and First of Kin. First of Kin is pretty cool for one. Oh, and we have alternate, yeah, I think I will take Queen's Tail with starting Queen's Implings. I think that sounds pretty good. Playing with alternate Hellhorn. So, we have Shellsmith. This leader is all about etch and consume cards. Return a random consumed spell to your hand, or etch, apply 5 armor to friendly units. I unfortunately have no starting consume cards, which is very sad. However, I still feel good about. I kind of want to try Repeater. I don't remember what this upgrades into, but basically the idea was is that you get like a really OP like consume card, and then you just play it over and over again. I'm down. Shellsmith could also be good. Well, actually, I might take Shellsmith, because what if we get like the insane, like 1 in a million. Okay, I'm gonna take Shellsmith here mainly because we're playing Hellhorn, and Hellhorn can have some pretty funny payoffs with this amount of armor. Yeah, sure, we'll do this instead. I am convinced. If we weren't playing Hellhorn, because we could see 3 cards come to mind, although they are all rare cards. Where's Hellhorn? Yeah, I'm just gonna armor. So Apex Imp is like the really strong one. And then you have the 2 funny options of Reinforce to just make a unit unkillable, and Battering Ram to be funny. Be a silly little guy who makes one-shotting a thing. I am not the... You're 40-20. That's kind of a lot of stats, actually. Damn. Yo, I love this little guy. I love this little guy. He's so badass in base. Also, this is his starting card. Deal 1 damage per echo on the floor. Pretty simple. Simple, clean, to the point. We could do this attack and call it. And then I can do it again. Alright, we should crush this Relentless. We do too much damage. It's too much. So I'm going to need to see some good consume cards here. And if I'm not offered any cards that say consume, then I'm sad. Hey, card that says consume. That's also purple. Yeah. Yeah. Vent is good to give like a +20 consume to, so I'll take it. It's also maybe I'm gonna need Vent in the late game to deal with Entropy Seraph. Take out the cursed enemies. I will be heading over here. Multi-strike, just toss that on your first Akin. I'm quite happy with it. I don't think it's ever 2 first. I don't think you ever click on a second first Akin. Although I am, you know what? Why not? I might do it. Because we're playing Herzel's Horde. In fact, with Herzel's Horde, I probably Man, unfortunately, I can't do Echo Right, first to kin on a floor. It's too much space. That is a bummer. Savage Spearman. I can take this trial. Alright. So if we kind of just have a setup where if I just make my entire deck consume cards, I feel like we just win. Because like first of kin just scales a lot off etch, and then you also just have Echo Right, which is your survivability. So I feel like we have a very nice recipe for success. Almost took 1 damage for no reason, which would have been pretty damn funny. My Echo Right is a little low, but it doesn't matter. I think I said my Echo Right was a little low. It's my first of kin that's low. It's my big fuck-ass worm man that's low. Shelter consumes. Bogfly. 8 attack. Ooh, what is this? Echo Flight. This is new. Echo Flight. Extract 1, move to a target location on any floor. I think that sounds very good. You take Shelter. Branding Right. Low-key kind of good, actually. More armor, more pogs. I'm down. So we definitely want to be going to a bunch of magic shops this run. And we definitely want to be taking up, like, every single -2 we see. This is quite good. I'll do it. Toss 20 damage consume here. I could also do like this. Or this. I think I'll do this. That's a lot of armor. That's a big swing. Bog Chrysalis. Hatch summon 2 Bogfly units. I don't really want Bogflies. I want first of kin. Ooh. This, I am absolutely gonna do this. Because if we... This is exactly kind of what we want. Because we can just load up on branding rights and become unkillable. I will give up my Pyre HP willingly. Would it if I kind of... Hold it. We can, like... Get 1 billion copies of... Yeah, I'm down. We can try aiming for 1 billion... Getting 1 billion copies of... of this insane first to kin or shelter, or this is insane branding, right? You can pull it off. It's very powerful. I think I'm definitely taking space here. Ideally, at some point, I would like to try to find a way I could get 2 of these guys on a floor. I feel I'm pretty damn strong right now. Get off the floor, you bitch. I don't care if you hit my pyre. I just don't want to deal with your fucking tomfoolery. Sapping my own units. What are you? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? I am. That's a lot of armor. And that's a lot of armor we just applied to our big... Oh shit, it's pushback. Alright, that's fine. Ow. Oh shit, pushback Archean. That's not good. I mean, it's fine. Get rid of this calcified ember. This is like the one day I would click on reinforced if the game showed me it. Echo Right, I'll save you. Echo Right, I'll let you live another day. You don't need to die. Alloy of the Ancients. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's quite good. Another first of kin. I don't think so. I will be clicking on my space though. Though. Is it actually good to... I mean, it is probably just better to click on Life of Mother's Bloom here. But fuck it! Who wants to do what's smart? Screw that shit. I want to hit a clip. Apex Imp! Whoa. Okay, change of plans. Oh, change of plans, man. We're gonna make this Apex Imp one-shot the entire universe. Holy. This. Oh, I need to give you, like, is there like a plus 20 in this shop? Shit. I need to give him plus 20 at some point because unfortunately for me, the card I want to play on him, branding right, pierces. So I can only play it on him 3 times. So we gotta go here and find out like a plus 20. That's fine. I'm okay with this. I don't think I'll take this trial. So playing like this means I can put all of these freaks on a floor. We are not playing... I can still definitely play First of Kin. And I should, but I'm not going to be playing 2 First of Kins. Simple as that. Oh, I want a frontline with Apex Imp in this deck. Oh my god. Oh my god, every time I... Oh. That's 50 rage I just gave him in 1 card. Is this good? Chad, is this good? Oh my god. We are going to hit unfathomable rage numbers. I should just play multiple Apex Imps. Sorry, First of Kin. I think times have changed. Yeah, and it's also like you're dying, which is like kind of weird. Man, I really like First of Kin though, but unfortunately we've just been shown better for Wormkin Etchings. Return 5 consumed spells to the top of your draw pile. When I consume spell the top of your draw pile. I'm gonna take Wormkin Etchings. Okay. This is where we pick up our Life Mother's Remnant. Let's do it. Let's have some fun. I'll take Guild Marker. I don't think Titanite blocks, I think Titanite works the way I want it. Oh my god. Sure. Why not? I want to dupe this. I want to dupe this little freak. And I just want to get as many of these onto the floor as I possibly can. Oh my. Oh, we're about to do goofy shit in this run. The goofiness is about to transpire. So I have 2 of them. I already have 2 of them. Oh shit. Oh shit, man. Would you still love me if my floor was 2 giant fuck ass worms? Alright, I will play a second Alloy of the Ancients here. Oh my. I will... Oh, there it is. Are you serious? I have to spend this energy here. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. Wait, actually, yeah, there is reasons to play multiple of these on a floor. There is. Okay, that's quite hilarious, actually. I didn't realize it was gonna work like that. I don't think I want a second vent. I mean, I'm winning this fight, so I can just, like, chill. I will pick up a second shelter. That I am okay with. Can't play any cards. I can never play Vengeful Shards unless I draw them with a card that I want to play. So can't play Dominion's Eye. We are going to have a weird, silly little run on our hands here, folks. I don't want any of those. Impish Scholar. Maybe. It returns consume cards, and we only want consume cards. I like Intrinsic Shelter in this deck. I think that's good. Don't want holdover on anything. We'll do this. Make that a minus. And toss like another cost down on a Wurmkin's Etchings. Is Shelter just better? Shelter might just be a little... I do wish Shelter was purple. I will not lie. I'm gonna do another... I'm just gonna get another copy of Branding Right. This is Revenge Sticks. Now, hopefully I just one-shot Sticks and... Wait, I could play on a higher floor and... I could play on a higher floor and use Hidden Passage to get my units, get my guys down on a... Yeah, I could do that. I'm not sure if I actually want to take space here. Oh, no. This Dominion's Eye is actually, like, so annoying. Here, get down the single Queen's Impling. So I want to try to get stuff on the floor. Okay. Oh, Styx is dead. Styx is dead. Huh. Weird. Wait, what the fuck? Whoa. Okay, that's kind of interesting. I got another copy of it back into the deck. It's kind of interesting. I think this run... I don't think the enemies are going to make it on this one. I'm taking space here because I want to put another guy on my floor. I was going to take another spell shop here. So mainly what I want is do this. I'm mainly just looking for a -1 to put on a Wurmkin Etchings. Anything cool here? No. No, there is not. No, there is not. 20 armor. You have 160 attack? What the hell? Why do you have 160 attack? That's a lot of attack. Whoa. But the game like took a second to start up there. Yeah. In case you were wondering. What is going on, man? Man, what is going on? Oh no, they're going to kill me. Their asses are not gonna kill me. Yeah, does this turn seem good to you guys? Oh. Oh man. I have 994 attack on my Apex Imp. Is this good? I need... Is it possible I just one-shot Dominion here? I think there's a... Okay. I just get all those cards. I just get to play all those cards again. Okay. Yeah. Come back cards. I might just one-shot Seraph. Why am I even playing cards, man? What am I even doing? I only need like one of these guys. Goodbye, fucking loser. Goodbye, loser. You don't do anything. I haven't even seen... I literally have not even seen Impish Scholar. I put Impish Scholar in this deck and I have not seen him yet. Lol. Lol. Dumb. Here, I'm just gonna go here. I want to see if we can get the turn 1 kill on this silly little bozo man. I'm pretty sure I'm already drawing like a full hand turn 1. Why not? Trader's Quilt, sure. I mean, like, why not? I mean, like, sure. He ain't hurting anyone to be in this deck. Alright. Let's see if we one-shot Entropy here. That would be pretty cool if we did. Why is the game taking like a second to boot up in the combats? You noticing that? Wah! No. Wah! I don't get to play all my units because I have so many of them. So... I'm going to play this first. Get another... Get as many crystals onto the floor as I can. And then... you know... Goodbye, Entropy. Adios, Entropy. Goodbye. How long is this recording? This recording is 23 minutes, man. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. That's quite impressive. I think that's pretty cool. Everything that just happened there, I think that was pretty cool. I think the game just can't handle the amount of OP silly shit I'm doing this run. So it's like taking a second to buffer. You fucking started my dick. Hold on, wait, let me do this differently. I just need to play one of these turn instead. I actually want to play Impish Scholar in this hand. Boom. Dead. Hold up. Impish Scholar. The stuff back into the hand. Ooh, nearly not, just barely not one-shotting both of them. That's sad. Now we're gonna lose. Make sure you're playing Pyrelight twice. Do I have permanent copies of Pyrelight in my deck? No. No, I do not. Also, I'm not gonna focus on like the other floors because I do not need to. There's simply like no reason to. I just play 2 Pyrelights each turn and then we kill him. And then we kill dead minion reasonably fast. Die, fool. So this run was pretty good. Oh, I need to take my screenshots here. This run, I think this run was pretty good. I think this all worked out pretty damn well for us. We really did just hit like... I'm so glad I realized that I was playing Hellhorn, and there was a chance to get an insane high roll with Armor Echo, right? Because with like the first of kin starter, I probably would have just played the option to like return a consume card into your hand. Which is honestly like, I don't actually know if that's better because like even just like the armor just guaranteeing you like a survival plan is very strong with this line. And like a really fucking good survival plan at that. Compared to just like having a little, like a couple more options for consuming. When you can just do runs like this where you just fill up your deck with like consume cards. This is like, that run was nasty. Power of Knowledge. Deal 20 damage for each consumed spell. Echo Seedling. The first time each battle a card with consume is played, add 2 copies to your hand. Unearthed Remains. Consume. Add 1 like space echo and an additional echo. Okay. Keeper of Echoes. Inspire. Apply 2 attack and 1 HP to friendly units. Wow. What? I'm so glad to have you back, Wormkin. I love doing goofy shit with Wormkin. It's so fun. Well, anyway, that's gonna do for this episode of Monster Train 2. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. I'll be out there. Have a nice day.